So welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a little while since we've been able to go travel, but tonight I am fixing to go pick up my wife Rebecca. I'm sure y'all remember her if you've been following along with the channel, and we are headed to New Orleans tonight. We'll be getting there late, so I won't be doing a whole lot of filming, but tomorrow when we get down there, go check out some food, go ride the trams, and see a little bit more of New Orleans. Last time it started raining, we just didn't get a lot of time to be down there, so stick with me. If y'all want to check out the adventure, we're going on an 8-day cruise to the Bahamas. First stop is in Key West, then we go to Freeport, Half Moon Cay, and Nassau, and we're going to be filming all of it. This is also our anniversary, so we're going to be celebrating that too. We have the drink package this time, and just overall we've been able to afford a little bit more this time, so we want to share that with you, and I hope that you enjoy this trip. Thank you, and I will catch you as we get on the road. So I'm up here at the casino getting ready to pick my wife up from the spa. Those of y'all that don't know, she got on up at the Astro Spa here at the Oaklawn Casino here in Hot Springs. So it's a pretty cool job, really nice in there. They're going for their Forbes assessment again. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they get their 5-star rating. Stay tuned, and we will be out of the country, headed to the Bahamas very soon. I'm excited. Nassau is on my bucket list. So we'll see what we can get into while we're there. You excited to go to the Bahamas?
I'm excited to go to the Bahamas.
So after about a 8-hour drive, we're finally down here, trying to figure out where to park here at the hotel. Staying at the Omni Riverfront down here in New Orleans. So we're gonna go get checked in, and we will catch y'all in the morning after we get some sleep. The business suite at the Omni Riverfront Hotel is a 4-star hotel. The rooms are huge, very tall ceilings, and a very comfortable bed. Overall, you got plenty of room for whatever you're going to be doing for the weekend, or if you're going to be there for even longer than that. You got a nice closet, plenty of storage with an iron and a folding board. Go into the bathroom. The bathroom was a little bit small, but overall everything was really nice in there, and you had a big walk-in shower. Going over to the workspace, they provide you with your own Keurig with pods, and you got a TV, a little mini fridge, and some extra storage. The Omni Riverfront is also located just blocks away from the Carnival Cruise terminal. You want to tell people where we are?
We are in New Orleans. We are going to the Riverwalk Outlets and possibly a coffee festival that they're having here in New Orleans until next weekend. So I'm kind of excited.
Had to switch rooms. The 6th floor at the Omni is really hot upstairs, but they upgraded us. Show you the room whenever we get back. It's really nice. Walk down here and see what we can find. So we just walked around the, what did they call this place? The
Riverwalk.
The Riverwalk. She got her a phone case. I'll show it to you here in a minute, or I'll let her show it to you, explain it. And then got us some pretzel dogs from the NEMs. There's a lot more to this place than I thought there was. If you're ever down here, definitely worth checking out, especially if you're going out on a cruise and you pick up some last minute stuff. But let you see from her and then look at the food. Yeah, they made it on the spot in like 10 minutes.
It's really cool.
Get a close up on the detail. Overall, not too bad. We're gonna sit down and eat. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. How do you pronounce this place? Pei Wei, Pei Wei. I'm not sure. If you know, tell me in the comments.
No, I'm not.
She wants to go gamble our money away. We ain't even got on the ship yet.
We gamble our money away every day, so what does it matter?
And tell them where we're going?
We're going to the Vampire Cafe, I think.
We think. We're gonna try to find it. It says it's like a 27-minute walk, so.
Yeah. Somebody didn't want to take the shuttle bus.
I'm stubborn.
Good thing I didn't dress up for the night.
We will catch y'all there if we don't get lost.
Wonderful. How are you? Good. What's that? Is I just enjoying New Orleans for a day. It's our second time down here. We're from Hot Springs, Arkansas.
It's definitely a unique place.
Really good too, and then the wash is all over there in hot sauce because it was 2 weeks ago. Their other hotel, the other
So we went to go see the LaLaurie mansion. I'll let you explain it.
So LaLaurie Mansion is about LaLaurie Delphine, who back in the day had murdered slaves to use their blood because she thought their blood had healing properties. So there's a lot of dark energy.
Not like that one?
It's weird. This one's for you, Kay. Shot, shot, shot.
The phone died last night, so we didn't get to finish out any of the stuff. You want to tell them what you thought about the Vampire Cafe?
The Vampire Cafe was absolutely wonderful. Like, it was a really nice dim lit area with good music, good food. Like, the atmosphere was awesome there.
And we went to go check out the LaLaurie mansion, but there was a foot tour there, so we didn't really get to do a whole lot there as far as checking it out. You can't go in. We just kind of checked it out from the street. Got a few pictures, a little bit of video footage. It definitely put off a very, very weird vibe outside of that place. So, hope y'all enjoyed the first day. We're fixing to board this ship, and we're gonna do another embarkation video for the Carnival Glory. Catch y'all over there.